Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to start our HR module series. Okay, so in this video we will first cover the HR settings, and then in the upcoming videos we will see all the topics in detail one by one. Okay, so let's get started. So first we have to move on to the HR module setting. So we have two options. We can go to HR module and then we can select settings. Okay, and we have to select this HR settings, and here we can see all the HR settings, or we can also type here the HR settings and we can come directly here. Okay, so let's one by one start understanding all of these settings. Okay, so first one is retirement age. Here we can mention the retirement age of our employees or anyone in the organization, after which the auto calculation of the retirement age will be done by the software. Okay, then we have the maximum working hour against timesheet. Okay, so it will define how many hours an employee can charge in the timesheet. Okay, then we have leave approval notification template. Okay, in the leave approval notification template we can set a default template for the leave notification approval. So let's take a scenario where an employee apply for a leave and we as a approver approve the leave of that particular employee. So how would the employer know about that his leave application is approved? Okay, so for that reason this leave application notification is very important. Okay, then our next thing is employee records to be created by. So this option basically is used for creating the employee records by employee number, full name, or the naming series. Okay, so as a big organization we have multiple employees and they might have the similar names, so the full name option is not relevant for the large organizations, and the employee number also we will not take the headache of generating the employee number separately for each and every employee. Okay, so what we will select, we will select the naming series for the employees in our organization, and the system will auto create the uh, employee records on the basis of the naming series one by one. Okay, then we have leave status notification template. Okay, so this also is same as the leave approval notification template. In this template also we can see the leave status of the employees leave. Okay, then we have check vacancies on the job offer creation. Okay, so this option is used to create the vacancies on the job offer creation. Okay, our whole organization would know how many job offers are currently in our organization. Then we have the include holidays in the total number of working days. So let's take a scenario. We have 29 days in the February itself, or we can say 31 days in the March, and we have almost 5 or 4 Sundays which are offs for the almost every organization in the world. Okay, so if we want to treat the holidays, which is the Sundays, as our working days, then we have to check this option. Alternately, some organizations may treat the holidays as a leave. Okay, so we will uncheck this option at that time. Okay, then we have disable rounded total. If we check this option, it hides and disables all the rounding in the total field of the salary slips. Okay, then we have email salary slip to the employee. This is also a very important feature to manage the salary slips. Okay, so employees do not have to come to the HR department and ask for the salary slip to the HR every month. As soon as the employee salary slip is generated, it will be directly emailed to the registered email address of the employee. Okay. Then there is a stop birthday reminders. Okay. So we, as an HR, we have to take care of each and every employee in the company, right? So we also need the reminders for the birthdays of the employees, correct? But if we check this option, we will not receive any reminders of the birthdays of any employee. Okay. Then we have leave approval mandatory in leave application. Okay. So if an employee is entered a leave application in the software, then there must be an approver for that application. It's not like that the employee has entered a leave application and its leave application is automatically approved. There must be a leave approver for that particular leave application. Okay, we will learn how to manage these things later in the later videos. Okay, then we have a similar thing which is expense approver mandatory for expense claim. Okay, then we have show leaves of all department members in the calendar. We will not talk about this option right now. We will talk about this in a separate video. Okay. Then we have an option of the auto leave encashment. If we check this option, all the remaining balance of the leaves will be encashed to the employee. Okay. Then we have the encrypt salary slips in email. Okay. If if we send the salary slip to an employee, it is a very like important document, or we can say a confidential document for the employee. Okay, so we can also set the passwords for the salary slip generated. Okay, you can see the example. We can set the password as SAL for the salary and the first name of the employee and the date of the birth here. Okay, then the password for the generated PDF will be SAL, and the employee, let's suppose the name is Jane, then the password will be Sal Jean and the birth of year which is 1972. Okay, so we do not want this option right now, so I will uncheck this option and we will save our HR settings as of now. Okay, now let's just go back to the home page. Thank you for watching today's video. We hope you find it very helpful and informative. Make sure to stay tuned for more episodes in the Basics of HR module with ACCU360 ERP series. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Till then, thanks a lot for watching.